Again! No one said. What it is, what it is, what it ain't, what it is, whatever. Welcome back to my canal. Here we is again. Again. Let me get everything I care about away from my fingers. Here we are, and I have a special hole in my heart for special effects, theater, all kinds of things. Before I get into this basic fun thing, I have a lot of stuff that I have planned for Halloween, just because it's super creative time, and I feel like I shouldn't have waited this entire year to do fun stuff like this on my channel when I do it at home on the regular anyway, year round. So you see the title, I'm just gonna do like a spooky cut open mouth. So I kind of want to be like a little more Joker-esque. And so I'm gonna start like latexing kind of at an angle. So when I smile, it's emphasized. Kind of like somebody wanted to cut a permanent smile into my face. What the fuck was that? Let's get started. Okay, so I went ahead and I ripped some toilet paper in half. I just want to cover everything. Okay. And then from there, we're just gonna do this shit like 4 times. I want to create like a little bit of a wall that overlaps on the ends of my lip, because what I'm going to do after a while, whenever this dries, is I'll be able to stop. I'll be able to like go and just poke a hole straight through and then cut it safely without fucking myself up. Without looking like this IRL. Okay, so now while we really are drying, I just want to take this opportunity to tell you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and all that other cliche stuff that every other YouTuber says. This is me smiling right now, sorry. Lame. So what you didn't see was I kept adding more and more latex right here, just to make it a little bit more flush, and I kind of had to sit there for a minute like this because I kept opening my mouth like a dumbass. So what I'm gonna do now is I have this like tiny ass little art brush, and I have some foundation. I haven't used this in a while, but I really want to match my skin, and then I'm gonna powder this afterwards. Oh, I remember why I like this foundation so much. Just throwing shit around. And there, I'm going to set it. Now carefully, what I would recommend is brush, stick it in your mouth, and then slowly twist. Now I want to go a little upwards. Ugh. Ugh. I can pray. I stretched these pieces out to kind of make it like peeling away. I'm not technically smiling, but at this angle it's like mischievous. I'm creeping myself out. I don't like this hanging that far. I want it to kind of stick up a little bit more, like right here. So what I'm gonna do is use some spirit gum. And while that's starting to dry, I'm taking some deep red paint. Do I want to trace my lips with this? Important life lesson, always remember where the paint on your finger is. You see what I mean? Sexy. Now for my favorite part. Literally, like this is what you came for. I have blood gel, I have fresh scab blood, and I have stage blood. Okay, stage blood is like something that's okay for your mouth. It's zesty mint flavor. So that we're gonna put more like dripping on the area where we're gonna get our teeth red. I need to dilute the color a little bit on my lips. And I'm gonna smear it against that bottom lip so there's a lot more exposure in the way it hangs. This is the artistic portion of the video. And now for my next trick, stage blood. I want it to drip down my neck so bad, but it won't. And there you have your look. You have done something fun and interesting around your mouth. You can breathe. Your mouth is not sealed shut. It is a good day. Be careful not to eat any of this scab blood. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. Oh, oh. That's my face. That's my face. You know you want to subscribe to this crap.